Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to disable the editing access on your Google Sheets document. So the first thing you have to do is open the Google Sheet application and find out the documents that you already shared before, and after you found it, now you just need to go click these three small dots, or if you are not sure about the documents, you can just open it first. And whenever you open it, you just need to go click these three small dots in the right corner, and after that you just need to go click this share and export. And in this share and export, you just need to take a look on the second rows here, which is the manage access, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to go into the general access, and you need to go click this anyone with the link here and change it from anyone with the link into restricted, so no one's gonna able to edit, view, or comment. But then if you want to disable the editing access only, but you want to give view access for the documents, you just need to change from restricted here into anyone with the link. And in this part, you just need to change from this editor into the viewer or commenter. And whenever you're done, you just need to copy the link and send it to your coworkers. So that is the way how to disable the editing access of Google Sheets documents on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.